Even Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see it?
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, Deva Bratt again. Yes, with We Lock Everything. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself, big up yourself. So we see the G fire some shot off of the Gaza them with you. Off of the teacher and Sean Storm and Bright Light and one bag of people. But in those reactions, I did ask for some normal tracks, for some tracks, some generalized tracks. Is this one of them? I don't know. We Lock Everything. I saw the track name. I can jump in the one and see what go on. So if I never react to this one, I would have been a hypocrite. I would have been a PUSSY. Several of them. Pussies. Binds. Me not give myself. Binds. So I react to it now. Let's go.
Ramp with that one now. Shopping from the top to the
again.
Hey, rude boy, don't ramp with that one now. Shopping from the top to the very last drop. Be Marshall, we no Marshall.
I'm being bad girl on the thumbnail.
Alright, well. Alright. We got the guns and we got all gear.
I was going to this.
Listen this, hey, we lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Then watch me then, blood splash out and dash past straight. Them see rude boy you pass and them go make wrong speech. See them in a bad man play and come a chat off me. And make a till left him face down pan concrete. Pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
This is definitely doesn't sound like a diss song. I'm not expecting it to be. But we want some general song. We get a general song. But it's a bad man song. Let's go.
Hey, rude boy, don't ramp with that one now. Shopping from the top to the very last drop. Be Marshall, we no Marshall. Alright, well. We got the guns and we got all gear. Listen this, hey, we lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Then
yo, them violate and things that we did that go blur. We did that go shrimps up. The members here we lock everything, brother. Them not that far. So once we say your binds, our binds, make everything connect, please.
Check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Then watch me then, blood splash out and dash past straight. Them see rude boy you pass and them go make wrong speech.
Blood splash out and splash pan. Them see rude boy you pass and go make wrong speech, but they keep him out locked. Better they lock him out, see they know? They might come pick you up because you get binds.
Them in a bad man play and come a chat off me. And make a till left him face down pan concrete. You say, we lock the place with money, girls and guns. You want a war, go for the world and come. I want to know.
We lock the place with money, girls and guns. You want a war, just go for the world and come. We not business how much I know. He's a boy have a bungler gun. Tivoli and Rima jungle gun. But
girls and guns. You want a war, go for the world and come. I want to know where them a govern with them teeth and tongue. Cause man we slap it up and knock it like we a beat one drum.
Man we slap it up and knock it like we a beat one drum. Everything connect, binds this man.
You want a war, go for the world and come. I want to know where them a govern with them teeth and tongue. Cause man we slap it up and knock it like we a beat one drum. Me tell them we lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. See them go disrespect and check them and I'm gonna blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Alright, well, we lock everything, girls and everything. Tell them no try nothing star.
Old school rhythm.
See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur.
Old school floor.
When them violate the thing, them never did it far. I shoot out, shot a go clap me gun, pop off from me waist. Hey, nozzle lost.
Shot a go clap from me gun, come off from my waist. The year wa. And when them clap, we not shoot off a god foot bottom. We are knock it in a young. All them the sun. Like them connect though. Yeah, them connect your
Shoot out, shot a go crack me gun pop off from me waist.
yo.
Nozzle a spark a shot a clot in a face.
Yeah.
No boy no give me no talk when me march in the place. Man nah go left no weakness fi inform on the case. Hurry up, me say fi left the corner me case.
Hurry up, brother. Left the corner, my case. Move up. Left, lift up. Pussy, lift up.
Me know say them a chicken, give them corn ya fi taste.
Yeah, me know say them a chicken. Give them corner for taste. When we say corn, we don't mean the one when my farmer grow up. We don't mean corn pan cup. We mean carbines.
The corner me case. Me know say them a chicken, give them corn ya fi taste. The pin file down, the fiberglass get replaced. The serial number erase. Boy, if you know them place.
The serial number areas, brother. Not chase, not chase. You can't chase it, dog. Illegal machines.
Glass get replaced. The serial number erase. Boy, if you know them place. We lock everything, girls, and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Them rush me tell them. We lock everything, girls, and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. We partial, we not partial. Alright, well, we got the guns and we got all gear. You never know. Hey, rude boy, don't ramp with that one. Drop it from the top to the very last drop. Listen to this. Hey, we lock everything, girls, and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. See them got disrespect and check them and I go blur. When them violate the thing, them never did it far. Them rush me down.
Oh, buckler. Actually, big up Deva Bratt. Yes, man. We get song, man. We ask for it, so we get it. Guess what? I mean, you have to react. If we never react, I'd have been a PUSSY. Several of them pussies. So big up Deva Bratt. Yes, man. Drop some more song, bro. Drop more song. Girl song, weed song, general song, sufferation song, gun song, every type of song. You have dancers to listen, bro. You have dancers to listen. Even those who think, even those who say them not listen, them a listen, you fuck. Them a listen. A your time, bro. You jump off of the forklift and run out. Run out, my G. You're too bad, brother. You're too bad for working in a factory, bro. Big up the people that work in a factory and warehouse and things. We not nothing against that. This is a different case. This is Deva Bratt. This is a talented guy, bro. No joke. Big up yourself, my fam. You see me? Respect, my G. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man. So I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed the one I want, you want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll catch you. Yes, man. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Hey man, son, man, Vice of the Real Artist Progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The man is and the baddest, you see.